send her down at the woman yard. Her name Patsy.
Miss Patsy?
Yes.
The woman really weird and that's all.
You don't know, say she, me did watch her.
Yes.
And she never pay me all that money.
Yes, young woman. We never pay all that money as long as you give about 5,000. 5,000?
3,000 and she didn't give me. So here we are go do. You go down there and tell her say your mother send you for the rest of the money because I wash her clothes a long time. And I know me can't get the rest of the money and the landlord don't start stressing me out. And I explain and tell the landlord, you know.
Every time you come over here and you cuss.
I explain and tell the landlord the situation, why me not give him the money and the man not have quarreling.
Mommy, you not tell him your business.
Oh, business, that kind of business that you owe people their money for them place.
Mommy,
them all come
you
to you
will
and you
have
when me talk, not talk. That's the point.
Okay,
when me talking, do not talk.
Okay, sorry, Mommy, sorry.
So listen to me. The man come. Look here, me don't want to go through this with you, you know. He's a child.
Okay,
But because you take up your foot on your head like a big member of me and your father when renting you. He ain't gonna go in business. He not send no money. And me alone and sometimes your brother have to give me one little shilling put on it. Even though the money we Patsy have to me can't pay the man. Me still need it. Me don't know if God will maybe bless me down in line with little more money to put on it. That's when the landlord come back again. Me can't give more money. So yeah, me need if it go down there and come back right now and don't stay long on the road. No make me wait for you too long. No make night catch you. You see nice sky? Looking at the sky. You see it stay? Don't make it get dark. Me a wait for you or no. You see me there too long I wait for you? But don't come to you on the road. I don't a Patsy me send you. Go on a Patsy.
Yes, Mommy.
Go on.
Okay.
Go on and come back.
So what's that going on? Yeah, I tell him. You know how you feel now, you know, to your mother and my mother there. Because I know if I know marry son, I still a friend, I know. A big people argument that I know. A big people argument, yes, but I feel a way where your mother said to my mother. You feel a way too, because your mother can call my mother dirty girl. After my mother no girl, my mother a big woman. You know why your mother call my mother dirty girl. But then here when your mother call my mother careless and but also my mother for come take care of me when you legal loose and road like a beast. Yo, don't tell you. You see you? Me I know mice, me a friend. Friend me I be. So me know why you put me know why me I then I know mice here. You can't tell me that you cannot tell me what to do. Let me tell us that. Just because your mother and my mother cause you feel like you can contact me anyway. Don't contact me or you feel like, hear me I tell you? A big people argument that. Let me tell you, big people. You say for big people, you say if my mother and your mother they are cause, oh that affect me are you? When me are doing the way you are doing it. When I do it, when me and you are doing a mega argument. Yeah. Because she talk about me. So my mother talk about she first, and then she come and talk about me. I'm not like when people disrespect me or my mother. Hey, you must be sick in your head. All you talk about the contract about say, me not even remember you say, my mother say, just like I am your mother. Hey, me don't want answer you know, but that's what me know me and your friend you know. Yeah, me tell your mother say, go teach your thief in fitness so behavior. Cause you walk on a thief. Cause remember say, my mother catch you a thief for money plus she phone and you come back and want to talk to me. And you still make my mother and your mother in an argument and then you want to come and cuss with me too. No play with me, you know. No play with me. Yo, me know why you call me no thief. Cause me no thief. I just rope me down on the phone. I hear? I just put me there, put the money like say me rich. I just want imaginary game me there play. Imaginary game. Don't play it in my house. You can play it with your mother money, but not with my mother money and her phone. You know, say I want thief for a long time though. And me not think so me and you fi be friend cause you're thief. Me don't know how become me and you becomes friend. Never got top par with you. Hey, me and you in a no man. Since I go me say down a Patsy yard. I me not even know what I do down there. You see how far me have to run come fi talk to you. Eh? Yes, you have to run me down come in there will stop run a Patsy yard cause Patsy chat too much. And she love chat. She will go back. What tell my mother about outside? You see, me see your daughter Tiana with some little boy picnic. Patsy mouth and no fear. Patsy mouth run like a radio and water. Yo, after your mother, me don't want him to chat about my mother here. Cause my mother no curious here. My mother give me food here. If your mother didn't give you food, you would come over my yard and I beg for food. Let me tell you that straight. And don't come chat about us. Your mother don't kill you. If your mother never kill you, she would have gone left you for 1 week and leave you up there with your grandfather. Make her come down and my yard and I beg food. Now me have to tell you whole universe. I tell you, any of you ever chat, a boss area go but. Let me tell you something. Your mother kill you, I hear? Your mother broke, I hear? Let me tell you that. If my mother did break you, you would have a chance to come over my yard and want to come thief your money. And my mother don't kill it. If my mother did kill it, I would have live in here so I would wear this right now. And me would have walk up on the road. Like my mother not have nothing. Look where you're in, you look like say out of trash you go borrow. What you know? You say how can I bring this? You think you can afford it? Remember say no broke, your brother have to sell chemical to survive here. Me see myself what day when me did that my uncle stall. Me see myself what day I sell chemical to a woman and the woman say, move on here so we don't nasty sitting them. Your brother broke and pauperized, hey. Yo, me never me this brother. They can't display no cause your mouth get load, my mouth can get load and me tell you that straight up to your face. And listen to me, I'm not laughing with you because you call me right yourself from this is like my mother. Me tell you something now. Don't come talk about my mother and my brother because me get hot and heated like fire. I want to you man, what you can do? Me I tell you again, your mother kill you and walk it. Every day your mother, you must feel like me there sitting there down up. Me there sitting there rake up Patsy the day and when your mother wash Patsy dirty panty them. Your mother nothing can do now. You feel see how Patsy and rush him. Hey, that's how your Patsy go. You wash you sit there before me have to chop you. Wait, Alice, my mother don't keep. Alicia work for money, she not thieving it. Let me tell you, Alicia do something good where you are walk up on the road and thief people things. Me here say, you gonna people in yard and jump through in riches to my Miss Vivian. Miss Vivian, a lady over there so we have a big mansion. You jump through our window and take our things them. You feel like me not here. All my mother things that me want to thief. Don't start with me and mine. Me have to make it everybody here. Yo, let me tell you this. You say if me want thief, me can't thief if me want. I know you see them 2 foot here. Them 2 foot I no fear them. You see them 2 anya and them out I no fear. Let me tell you that your mother walk is and kill. So what you can do? You feel me afraid of your brother? Yes I know. Yes about this and that. Me would never want to have fear on your foot or your mouth because like motor so thief with them yeah and them yeah you use them to jump through the people them window. But you know, let me tell you this one now. Guess what? And me thief a brother bicycle. What you can do? Any your brother come up in my face right now, me take one stone and bust in it. That matter. I'm me thieving bicycle. Go and go tell me no guy you are. Me thieving bicycle. You can't do no. Oh, me can't do no. How you look like say fight or fight me? Oh, so you thief my brother bicycle? Yes, I'm thief. Are you thief my brother bicycle? I bet somebody lick you. Yo, baby, calm down. I bet somebody lick you. Boy, another, you should run. Nobody calm down. I have a great mind of boxing left, right, and center. Calm down. Me no fight at school or no. Calm down, no. Oh, cause only when people tell me things, me come and fight you. Me no mean it like that. I just want to drop me that. But listen to me, I know. I don't fight me that fight. I just want to drop me that. You know when friend and friend make one go joke like them a fight sometimes. I just want to drop me that make it. But by the way, me and your friend long time I know. Me can teach you for thief I know. But I nothing me thief and go give my mother I know. But wait, You're bright out of order. Me, you want country because give my mother money and say, move. I don't want to come right here and no come teach me for thief. Me a no thief like you. Oh, so go and buy your business. That's what you do. That's what me a go do to you when me a walk out. We are go do. We are go do. Me a go do nothing but you will find out. But by me a tell you, me can teach you for thief. Me no want to teach me for thief, and even if I did somebody else that teach me for thief, me then they go do it, and me and a thief. Me a good somebody, me a good influencer. Yes. And me no want to come broke me out for thief, but you want me for come thief. You out of order, you see? You see how you box me in my face? I go tell me mother, I might box you again. That's what me a go do to you when me walk up. Have a grandma to go take up on stone and bust it. Wait then. You live right down the sun. Hey, alright. Me not put it with you. Go and buy your business. I know that. That's what I'm making it. That's what I'm making it. That's what I'm making it. Go on your yard.
Hello.
Yes, mommy.
Me send you down a party from how much o'clock this evening. See there? At night. Me hardly can see nice sky. How you just a come back?
Because, mommy, I go to my lady, I call the lady how long. A little bit after me see my husband come out and call her, and she come, and I ask her for the money. She say she go look for the money. When she go in her house, she take how long, then me hear she and her husband start cuss, and then she come out and give me the money and say, go and see your mother, little girl, it get late. That's
So she just gave the money a little while?
Yes, mommy, see it. Me I'll wrap up it because I wrap up it and put it right in my side so it no last, mommy. See it.
Okay. She gave $100.
Yes, mommy, that's a 15,000.
She did owe me something name. Remember, you know, got $3,000 she did after me the last time when we did go work. But how she always owe me every minute.
She must put all her money in.
Yes, so like she put everything in one. Okay, but you stay too long on the road, man. And for an evening, me send you when me could have see up in the sky bright and a dark night.
You want me to be a weird family lady to stop your arguing to they give me the money?
Yes, when she did argue?
She and her husband, mommy.
So if people and their husband turn up a cuss, and you're there listening?
Yeah, ask her for the money, mommy. When to do run come back up here? Mommy, the money can't get. That money for tell her, run come up here, mommy. We can't get the money. That money for the money.
Alright, thanks. Go on in.
Bye.
I rent money me come find a one. The clerk fee I come to me by now, you know.
Evening, sir.
Me not want no even now, my money me want.
No, sir. Nothing too one, you know. But we have $200 we put together. We could have give you and we are happy if I can give you some more time.
Let me explain something and tell you something. Me understand everything we ask about your baby father and this and that, but you have a big old son making go and look up now.
No, he's working, selling little sweets, the money in put yard, but them want no money, no, they pan it too tough. So me and him put our money together.
Alright, give me one and a half, because me lose my patience, you know, man. You're going to notice, you know.
I answer if you can give a little more time, sir, because I told my baby father stop sending money come on, so we not.
You don't think a charity may run?
Difficult.
Eh? A charity may run?
No, man, we know it's not a charity because mommy situation is serious and
listen, man, I'm sorry for thinking, man. You know what people want to pay the rent? The next time I come back, if you don't have my full money, you don't have to come out of the place. So that's what I want to do.
No, man, but you know, so well, yeah, man, I just thought you one house still.
Daddy, wow. I'm here upon the road. Where are you? Tiana, how much time it off the top call me to Jay? Kesha and my name top mix me mix up my name. Teshan my name. Stop mix up my name.
Okay, Taji. Your name Teshan or your name Taji?
Teshan, are you a mix up my name?
Okay.
Even my grandfather, remember saying in old age now, I remember things. I saw come drink start call me Taji. Sure.
Okay. So Teshan,
Yes.
you see, you know, say if you stop the thieving though, why you're so thieves? Yeah, I like them big criminal man they will love going to jail too much time.
When I see me a thief.
You know, say police
What me
will
thief?
lock up you. All the way you little pitney. Police will lock up you and carry your cops.
The police can lock me up.
Who tell you that?
For me, you see me? Me a bad man. I hear my father. Even though I don't know my father no. But me a bad man, no police can lock me up.
You don't know your father, but your father a bad man. That makes sense what you just say.
Kinda. Me a bad man, no police can lock me up. That me try to.
Every minute you see me, that me I try to tell you, that me I try to tell you. You can't have something else better if you can't sing.
Because of your attitude they give me, so you expect me to must give back attitude.
Like you sound like a girl. Every minute you come and cuss with me and I go back and forth with me like you're a girl. Yeah, what? You have to like your boy, not girl.
Yep. You're a man. Man maybe. But just
If you're the man, you would have your own house and you would be independent.
like you see me a thief.
You see me a thief? For some years, you see age, you make me better than you and you sit down some and I go on the road and I thief.
You're not brighter than me. You're brighter than you.
Okay. Spell independent. Independent start with A-R-I.
Oh, I man.
Spell it.
Me can't spell independent. It word too big.
I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T.
Yeah. Me no business.
Independent.
Me no like when
Really?
you chat about me a thief and not me not thief.
Wonder if they sit you in the hospital. Oh no. They can't sit you in the hospital because you are your mother thief alive.
Wait. I this my mother and you this me too. This it to tell me you not go there in no argument today. Here. Today you nice there no.
But you tell us somebody want to know argument with you.
So yeah, this my mother.
Me these things say they sit you in a hospital. But when me look into it, me realize say you and your mother thief the same. Cause me here say your mother send you for thief things through people in that one.
When you see me thief things out of people in that you see your mother go put in a problem. You see them out the right side go put in a problem.
That point time for me here.
Matter of fact, where you are go dress up so.
Me I go to my mother because me and my mother I go somewhere.
Because your mother day.
Because today my birthday and I can even say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. By the way, I can't tell your birthday, but I tell you somewhere now. You don't have to bother by your mother.
No, me I go to my mother. My mother I wait for me, you know. My mother they write out a scheme and wait for me. And me now make my mother come cuss me say kayo. I don't bother carry me nowhere because she said me do if you be myself and me I be myself so she can't carry me where she gonna carry me.
Tina, you ask a fool, brother. Come on now. You come like a some idiot. You act fool. Come on.
Me don't act no fool where you act fool and thief. And you go through people window. Boy, don't come tell me about how say me fool. Like you come me don't fool like you. Boy, you come call me fool.
You see we
Stop point your finger in my face.
you see me not touch you no. You see we are fool. Now when you
Tap point up gun finger in my face before me lick
Yo,
you me
brother.
see your father again.
you see we you fool me nothing for a party. You want a fool friend. Matter of fact, me I can't go about my business too.
If I'm like you, I ask God if He can forgive me. For all I thieving things that when me do. Go on from here and go and about
Go
your
away.
business.
Grandpa, not talk to me. They ready here.
Go in, boy. But you think me a size and no man as you tell me so far.
Matter of fact, me a tell you for now. Many of me food what you can do. Man, not chat. Hey, not chat to me and chat to me. So here, that me a try to do.
God go with you. You don't know manners, so your mama go you. Cause I'm about your business.
Good evening, sir.
Evening siya.
What are you doing?
Ano na.
Oh, you know when they? Eh?
Ano, inaano manasam na no pasin.
You don't know what's in there?
We are looking pa.
No, because I'm a friend. Let's go look for him.
Si target later no. Gaan ba kayo ya di no da.
Hey, later. Michael, you know, some realize something about mommy doing. Last night, me there now, on the bed in a room, and mommy asleep. Me hear mommy and say, but oh, say, daddy married over foreign and have 2 people and them are twin and rent and something, and she talk about us them. She not no money to pay rent and something.
Jessica Francis Akar. Really, yes.
Yeah,
Pichuchu.
yes, mommy did it and she sleep and say, daddy gonna foreign and married and have 2 people and them are twin.
Dirty. You know, I wonder if daddy really are going something for Chuchu. Cause from when you know say no call or nothing at all, you know.
Yeah, that American used to call me on the whole that in the car. Remember we did talk about it one time?
I said daddy want to come.
My
Yeah,
name
yeah,
is
yeah,
Michael.
yeah, yeah.
Michael. Remember saying so mommy go here because nobody will leave. I mean tell mommy find you.
But sis, you know what say? When I real note though, somebody may notice me. She behave some way strange, you know. You see, you hear and see what talk about that daddy and picking us down.
Yeah. I mean I see some mommy I'll die out in head top you look like say you know the red whatever you want to
Like a
call it
picture.
hen.
Picture or a peacock.
Yeah, with the red thing
No,
over
but
my head
you
top.
can't discriminate me, so you know.
No, I'm not telling no bad way about mama, but mommy die out in head. Mommy cut the knee here, shot it on her baby.
But I'm really concerned, though, sis. I feel like something going on differently, you know. Because me I talk to herself one day, you know. I talk about daddy, same thing we say she talk about me. I feel like a gym, you know. You better talk to herself, because she talk about daddy run off a foreign and have some way for picking and something. And, you know,
She did say that they have 2 people and them are twin, 2 girls.
2 girls.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See through that now.
And it told him I will almost 1 now.
You know, I don't believe them thing there. But you can't fit you, you know. Guess what now? How do you know about a lot of things on her head? She carry a heavy load on her head, and I'm sitting there, you know, when you kapay?
No?
Kapay when you triple leak.
What?
You have a blood vessel in your head. You
And
say,
the boss?
you boss. And when you boss, you call it kapay. You're
Kapay.
gone.
How I name Kapay? Make a search upon
And you have some people, schizophrenic, see when they can't remember certain things, and some have dementia, PTSD, multi-person. You think a multi-personal disorder and me have them sitting there.
Nothing so. How will mommy head dress I go? Mommy has stress out.
If you can't sit down and make them things happen. Now we see what's going on with you.
So what you gonna do? What you gonna do about it? Come in there try wake up mommy, you know. And mommy they stiff in her bed. Mommy now move. Mommy just a chat about daddy. Daddy will have pick me up and daddy married. Daddy this, daddy that.
You look like you have to go link Miss Buchanan from Bellevue. You need to see a psychologist or a pastor or something. You have to get her some help. But some one mother, you know.
Remember saying that every time pastor pray for people and make people then get better. No?
But at least not even psychologist either. But at least we can try.
So what you go carry mommy down at Bellevue? Whatever you want to call it.
That you have to go to book, guess what you have to go
When
find?
I come with you.
You have to go find a real like you know, have to tell her because you see when people go mad, they don't know so they mad, you know. So you can't go tell mom you say it's not going with her. You have to say, you know, so you have to take a trip.
But if me tell mommy that no, mommy gonna stress out, you know, and mommy like, she not gonna come. Cause mommy, in a night time, as she asleep, she's stiffen up. Mommy don't want to move out of the bed. I'll come and say, mommy, keep your bed.
Yeah, a different thing I talk about. You can say, man, I say, I'm on a fun trip. So, you know, so I'm on a nice trip with that.
You not tell mommy that. You gonna tell mommy that. Cause if you gonna carry mommy down a Bellevue, me not come with you. So you wanna go down a Bellevue with mommy?
What do you mean say not come?
Because mommy we pull out of the people in hand. And then whatever they go put mommy hand. You know, they push long needle in a mommy hand.
Anything of your wants, anything at all.
Me not come with you.
You see, if you not come, you're not getting no more food in here.
Me
You must say me a cook, you know.
My business called uncle come over here. I say uncle when I go a shop.
Kill him, uncle. Mommy.
Mommy.
Excited, man. Excited.
Bingo.
Yeah.
Bingo. Bingo. Yeah.
We love how you're happy, Mom. We love how you're happy. Happy. She's happy, though. Mommy,
Yes.
happy. Nice. Nice. No, nice, Mommy.
Move.
So make you happy, some Mommy.
Move.
Mommy.
Move, go away.
Mommy.
Mommy, say yes, I'm happy. Every say move. Every say move.
She a call me mommy.
You call me.
What make you call me mommy? And you just call me mommy?
Yes, I will just call him.
What you call me mommy for?
Mommy,
Hello,
yes.
mother.
Me?
Yes, Michael and Tina.
Me? Never break.
Yes.
Never break. Never get pregnant. Never get pregnant.
Yes. Hey, move. Listen.
Never get pregnant.
Listen. Listen. You tell us you want to go on a nice trip.
Oh my, we're gonna go for one trip
One
tomorrow.
nice trip. Make a meet a nice lady. She come from foreign. You know foreign movie? Foreign when they fly on the plane. Foreign US
Me
men.
no go.
No. Guess what? You have to come. You have to come.
Me a go airport.
Airport. Yes. I forgot.
Me a carry fridge with me. Me a go airport.
Yeah.
Me a go airport. I carry fridge. Me quick carry fridge. No. Take care now for me. Me no know you. Me no know you. Me no want you. I'm going to sell this. I'm going to sell it. We're going to sell it. $50 for one chair. $50.
Mommy, put on a chair, Mommy.
I feel a chair?
Yes. I feel my chair.
Just touch me again. Me call police. If you touch me again, me call the police pound.
Jessica.
Where? Move.
Yes.
Me no like you.
Yeah, we have a nice vacation to go on with Mommy. Yeah, man. Yeah, Miss Carl Buchanan. Yeah, from a nice place, the big building. Yeah.
Call her me Bokar.
Yeah.
Buchanan.
Yes, Miss Buchanan.
Move.
Yes.
How are your mother?
All right.
What for your father? Move. What for your father? What for your father?
Come.
Hey, what for your father? Come here. What for your father?
Airport.
We can sing.
Yeah.
Can sing.
Airport, come.
We can sing.
Come
We
now.
can sing. We go for rising star.
I'll let you see.
Jesus loves me. This I know. For the best.
Come, airport, come. We are going airport. Come.
Me no want go. Me no go no airport.
Me care about you.
No, give me my bag.
Alright.
I mean, I go up on the road. Yeah. On the road.
Why?
On the road. Soon come back.
It's a short of it. Come, airport.
Can't catch me. Yeah. You're gonna foreign. Me dey love you, you know. Me dey love you. Me dey love you. You have two pitney over there. You're married. Landlord. Landlord. Now no money for you. Landlord. Hey. Ooh. A bank take back the car.
Who gonna not give her nothing to eat? So how you sure say I know something gonna look for you eat? Why you live out of the yard? I have me up and down and look for you up on the road.
Have nothing to eat, man.
Because I don't have nothing to eat, so where they do? Got people here go beg them their food? And that's what you do? Got people here go beg them their food? Why you go do that? Cause mommy, what if you wash the plate them from morning?
No, mommy.
Why the plate they don't wash? Look in my eye when me the chat here. Why the plate they don't wash?
Cause no fab lady.
Who said no fab don't do that? Your grandfather no buy fab yesterday.
No,
From yesterday you use the plate them and you don't wash them. And I tell you if you don't only put it yard.
Mommy, you're too right. Me never eat out of no plate.
And you eat out of the plate them. And even if you know you eat out of them, who if you wash them? Who if you wash them?
Mommy, when I...
Why you not top for stress out me and your grandfather?
Mommy, now you just out yourself, mommy.
What's stress out themselves?
Mommy, when I not give me nothing to eat and no dirty up the plate and me have to wash them.
So who if you wash them? Who you expect if you wash them? What you there for? What make you here for? Who if you wash them?
But mommy, you can me have a thief.
What you just say? Who care you for thief?
You, mommy.
How me care you for thief?
But mommy, remember say you send me for go thief people them go up there so but me go through people them window go thief out their money and can get before you give buy something for me. Now me can go do ear and nails and go party and.
What you just say, boy? Say it again, I see.
Mommy, please, mommy.
You know what? Me not waste my time for you. Come on.
Yeah.
Don't a station with the carry. Come on. Come on, Mr. Boy. Don't a station with the go. Let's see how that comes. Gotcha. Oi. Come back here to me. Me de call you, you know. Me de call you, come to me. If you ever make me come for you. Me de call you, come to me and don't make me come for you.
Mommy, can't answer one question. How are you? I remember say you teach me for thief.
Who teach you for thief, little boy?
You,
So that you're going to tell people on the road, say, me, your mother teach you for thief?
But mommy, remember say before me dey born, you a thief, and when me dey born, you betty, you sitting there in me. And you continue betty there in my head. That's why me a thief.
Me make it in your head.
Yes, mommy.
So if me jump off a roof and kill myself, you jump off with me and say, me make a jump off.
Yes, mommy.
But what a boy fool.
But mommy, but before you have years of time, remember say you teach me thief, remember say you fi go to prison. You have your time for me I can me go cops or boys home, whatever way you want name. Are you fi carry yourself to prison? That's why you teach me for thief.
One up in the yard. Go up. And don't make me reach up there, you're not up there. And you're going to sit in me and you.
What? Money? What? Money? 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So that means that money in this bag then. bingo an idea, you know. Me have no one else. Yes, rich. 4 grand in idea. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. No money in this bag then. Yes. Thank you, Father God. Thank you. Come out of sufferation now. Now my mother can be a nice because I'm couple come out of my grandfather push that over the place. Hey, you say, you know, like in that house. We go outside. Then no garbage is here. We go outside. The garbage is here. Let me take me bingo how much money. The garbage is. Garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, garbage, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, oh, garbage, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish, oh, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, garbage, rubbish, garbage, rubbish.
One car. Ah! Why? Hello? Phone a ring. I hear them must not work good. Hello? No? Yeah. can chat Chinese language. Ulupi, ulupo, walapa, milipi, selepe. Go! Bright and feisty. Out order. Milipi, selepe, yulupu, tulupu, brella pite. Nolapo! Nolapo, nolapo. Nolapo! Nolapo! I love my baby father, but he gonna leave me. Meet me by the river someday. Yeah? You're still on the phone? Oh, you're gone. But I'm still at here and you hang up the phone. You fooling? You damn fool. You is a fool. Alright, me I gonna hang up now like you did hang up already. Yeah. You hear me, not you? Bow. I mean iPhone this. iPhone 23. Alright. Me do come here and go a World Cup. I mean I vote for Messi. Argentina. We are the winner. Bo. Messi. I'm a friend. And she just called to me. She smells good. You know the perfume there, you know? And the baby father used to use before he got foreign, you know? Yeah. A 60 by it. Yeah. So you can't talk to me, no girl. It take her me baby father. Take her me baby father. Got two pitney and foreign. You can't be no mother. And baby father. And baby father gonna foreign. No come back. Baby father gonna foreign. Baby father gonna foreign. Baby father gonna foreign. Where look for me for? Stop look for me. My baby father. Baby father gonna foreign. My baby father buy that. I want to look for you. Alright. Yeah. Hey, baby father gonna foreign. You left me and got married to nobody. Baby father, left me and got a foreign. Got two picnic. I'm married. Boy, you look for me, you idiot, you. You're a fool. You're idiot. You're mad, boy. You think you're sensible, Morami? Pow! Pow, pow, pow! Your baby father gonna foreign and a drive bus. Brum, 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 brum. Baby father, married woman a foreign. Get two picnic and gonna left me. Baby father gonna left me a foreign. And bank take back the car. My landlord want money from me. Hey landlord, landlord boy. You don't know me, you know? You don't know me. Hey landlord boy, you don't know me. Hey, broop, boop. Bop, 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 bop. Hey. Nephew. Ray and nephew. My nephew is. Father. Baby father. Bow! Baby father gonna cry left me. Breed woman. I'm married. And no come back to me. Landlord. Landlord. Landlord, tell me where I'm rent. Hey. Yeah. Landlord. Pow! Stand up. Stand up, me say. Stand up. Ah. You kiss off of me. You kiss off of me. You tell me, baby father. You kiss off of me. Mwah. You kiss off of me. Mwah. Turn back. Kiara, come. Turn back. You're so fool. You're telling us to turn back and not turn back. Kiara, come. Turn back. You're not turn back. Oh, you're turn back. You're turn back. You better turn back. You see Kiara come? Move. What is it? I'll put on this here, so. Kiara, come. Turn back. Kiara, come. Turn. What is this look like shit, man. We have 2 children. Michael. Hey. Diana. Hey. Yeah. Michael. Diana. Hey. Diana. Diana. Hey, Michael. Diana. Michael. I'm 2 pinning them. The 2 thieves bring them back. Mom here. Hey! Hey! Tastes like shit. I love shit. I love shit. I love shit. I love water. Hey, water. 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 Boy. 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 Tastes like shit. You ever eat it? Very nice.